Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is Dr.M.MOORTHI, working as assistant professor in the Department of Automobile Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So in this video, we are going to discuss about a case study on Maruti Suzuki, the evolution, and then what are the update, and then what are the new development it is in the Maruti Suzuki. It is the Maruti Suzuki is established in the year of 1981 in the month of February in the name of Maruti Udyog, and then it is the first car that is released from the Maruti Suzuki is Maruti 800 in the year of 1983. So at the time, it is the largest selling car in India until 2004. It is named as the cheapest car in India. So after that, the evolution of the modern era. So the Maruti 800, it somewhat the selling rate is gradually reduced, and then after that the Maruti is continuously releasing the updates in the every 5 years. So for that, in the Maruti Suzuki, if you in the Maruti 800, so if we want to have the good performance in the car, so we need to have the proper maintenance. For that case, we still get the higher efficiency in terms of the mileage and then fuel consumption. So for that case, we have the few different parameters. In the first one, we have the engine oil replacement. So this is the main, and then maintenance work in the automobile sector. So we have to change oil periodically. It is called in the scheduled maintenance every 6 months, or we can every 2000 kilometer or 3000 kilometer. So we have to change the oil in order to get the proper lubrication and the efficiency and then fuel consumption. So once the oil, the lubrication oil getting lost, its lubrication process, that is a parameter means, then obviously the engine component will get damaged, like the called as cheese. So for that case, in that the excessive amount of heat generated in the engine will cause the damage. So for that case, the proper oil maintenance is required in order to maintain the vehicle in the good condition. And then second one is oil filter replacement. So once the oil filter is in the form the dust or dirty, the clogged in the oil filter means it is very difficult to have the fuel economy, and then other disadvantages with the oil filter damage. So for that case, we need to clean the oil filter on the periodic manner, or some case it is required. If it is required means you have to change oil filter with a new one. For that case, we get the proper fuel economy. See here, it is for every 3000 miles, or in the period of 3 months, we need to check the oil filter. If it is required means you have to change. Otherwise, that is called the maintenance is required. And then this is how the oil filter is going to be changed. And then we have the different steps. Once you have to remove the nut in the oil, the oil drain. So for that case, the entire oil, it is removed, and then once removed, you have to clean completely, and then refill the oil, and then you have to fix the then what is called net for a complete lock. And then the air filter, so that is very important in the it is requirement for to maintain the air filter. It is in a good condition for get the fresh breathing for car, and in order to get the maximum efficiency. And then it is required to keep the vehicle, it is without any dust, it is in the formation. So for that case, we have to change every 50,000 kilometer, or in the period of 1 year we have to change, or you have to repair the air filter in order to get the higher efficiency. And then brake pad replace, which is very important in the maintenance of any automobile vehicle, in order to get the proper the braking conditions. It is very required. So once in the period of time, there is a due to the friction, and then there is a wear and tear in the brake pad. So for that case, if you have to replace the damaged brake pad with a new one at the period of 50,000 mile or 1 year. So for that case, if you can maintain the good braking efficiency, and then the APA rating, that is the American Petroleum Institute, they're setting the different standards for each vehicle. The oil grade. So for that case, the so you have to for like if you would take the two-wheeler, the every Hero Honda, or in the case of Pulsar, so there is a grade in the oil condition, so that you can get the proper lubrication, and then you can maintain the engine in the good condition. So these parameter we have to check periodically, then and there, so that you can maintain the vehicle in the good condition. Thank you.